Srivastava. He was honored with the STPI Youngest Entrepreneur Award in 2012, recognizing his excellence in innovation and leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Sandeep Srivastava.
I feel honored to propose the vote of thanks for today's insightful session on smarter decision agentic AI machine learning. I sincerely thank Dr. Sandeep, our esteemed guest speaker for today's session, for sharing his valuable information and knowledge.